For corner to corner, we're going to start with a slip knot and chain 6. So that's step 1. Step 2, you're going to count back on your chain to your 4th, 5th, and 6th chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to put a double crochet in each of these chains. So your 4th, your 5th, and your 6th chain from the hook. So that's step 2. Step 3, turn your work. So when your work is turned like this, you're going to chain 6. Your next step is a double crochet in the 4th, 5th, and 6th chain from the hook. Your next step is going to be to find at the top of this first block that you made, there is a chain space there. So you're going to insert your hook in that space, do a slip stitch. That is joining your 2 blocks together. Chain 3. And in this same chain 3 space, you're going to put 3 double crochets. It's very important when you're at this step that this tail is down here at the bottom. So you're going to take your work and you're going to turn it. Chain 6. Put a double crochet in your 4th, 5th, and 6th chain. Now we're working across our work. This tail should always be at the bottom. So we're working across these bumps. If you look at the left side of this one, you can see that chain 3 space. On the left side of this one, there's a chain 3 space. We're going to need those. So we're going to slip stitch into that first chain 3 space. Chain 3, and then put 3 double crochets back in that chain 3 space. We're going to come over here to this chain 3 space on the next block, slip stitch in there, chain 3, and then put 3 double crochets in that same chain 3 space. We're going to turn our work. So now we're just repeating chain 6, Put a double crochet in the 4th, 5th, and 6th chain from the hook. When we go across this row this time, last time we had 2 blocks, now we have 1, 2, 3 blocks. They should still all have the chain 3 space at the left hand side. So we're just going to slip stitch into that chain 3 space, chain 3, and then 3 double crochet into that chain 3 space. You will just continue following that same pattern until your work has reached your desired size. When you want to start decreasing, this is how you'll do it. So again, we'll start with turning our work. Instead of doing a chain 6, we're going to look at these 3 double crochets that you just did. We're going to slip stitch into the top of each of these double crochets. So we can see now that that has put a corner on this work. Right next to those 3 slip stitches, we have our chain 3 space. Just going to slip stitch in there, chain 3, and put our 3 double crochets in that space. Just continue along the side, working in that same pattern. And I'll meet you at the end of the row, and then we'll talk about the next step. So at the end of this row, just going to slip stitch into that chain 3 space. Now if you don't want to continue to increase on this side, now we've made our corner on this side. If you want this to be a square, then you're just going to turn your work and you're going to slip stitch into the top of your 3 double crochets. If you want to continue building this side, making it longer, then you're going to chain 3 and put 3 double crochet into that space. Okay, and you would turn your work, you would chain 6. Then you would double crochet in your 4th, 5th, and 6th chain from the hook. And then continue along the side following that same pattern, finding your chain 3 space and slip stitching, chain 3, 3 double crochet. Continue working along the side till you get to the other side. Now when you get to this side, this is the side that you started decreasing on. We can see that we have our corner and it's going straight this way. So you're still going to slip stitch into that chain 3 space, turn your work. Then you're going to slip stitch into the top of those 3 double crochets. You're going to find your chain 3 space, slip stitch in there, chain 3, and then you're back into that same pattern. Now this time we're going to decrease on the other side. So I'm ready to decrease on my second side. So still going to find that chain 3 space there, slip stitch into it. So instead of making another block by chaining 3 and 3 double crochets, we're going to turn the work and we're going to slip stitch into the top of those first 3 double crochets. So you can see how quickly this is getting smaller on this side. So slip stitch, chain 3, 3 double crochet. Back at the other side, so slip stitch, turn the work, and then slip stitch into the top of the 3 double crochets. Got one block left to do, so I'm going to slip stitch into this chain 3 space, chain 3, put my 3 double crochets in there, slip stitch into this chain 3 space. Now I have completed my rectangle here. So I'm just going to turn the work and finish off by slip stitching into the top of those 3 double crochets. Okay, and then I can fasten off in that corner. So that is how you crochet using the corner to corner stitch. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and you can follow along with some other great projects. Have a great day and happy crocheting!